Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna be doing a simple tutorial on how to stamp your nails. It's very simple, very easy, especially if you're new on stamping. You're gonna love this. It doesn't have to be perfect and it's still gonna look beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna start by showing you everything that I'm using. So let me just go ahead and show you what I have on my nails. So I have this on my nails, and let me just show you what it is. And I had this for a while now. And it's called Prom Dress. I don't know if it's still available, to tell you the truth. All I know is that I really like it. Okay, so let me just show you right here on these three nails. It looks more blue because the polygel that I use for this three nails and for this one is a little bit darker. This is a clear clear polygel. So it looks a little bit different, but definitely you can see the blue. So I'm also going to be using my black stamping polish, and this is Moon Nail Supply. This is a Mexican brand. So I also going to need my clear stamper, my old good clear stamper. I love these stampers. I don't think they're available. I've been looking for them and I don't see them anywhere. These are from AliExpress. I'm gonna need my scraper, also my cotton cloth to clean my plate, and I'm gonna be using these color paints from Opie. These are the two colors that I'm gonna be using. Landscape Artist and Pen and Pink. So those are the two colors, and of course my stamping plate. So this is a stamping plate. I do not remember if I got it from AliExpress. I'm gonna try to look for a link where you guys can actually find this. And the image that I'm gonna be using is this right here. These are very simple flowers, but they're really cute. And let me just show you exactly what I'm trying to create. So I already did my thumbnail, and as you guys can see, it's not perfect, but you guys, it looks so pretty. Look at that. See, it's not perfect. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna clean my plate. Let me grab my scraper. So I was sticking to my silicone mat. So let me go ahead and apply some black stamping polish. And I'm gonna go ahead and scrape, roll. I like rolling my. I'm gonna start in the middle finger. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect, and it's still gonna look good. I feel I can pick up maybe one or two flowers more. Let me just go ahead and pick up that flower. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and stamp it right there. And I know my stamper is pretty cloudy, but I can still see what I'm doing. And so what we're gonna do once you're stamped, it's really easy to create a mani. So let me just go ahead and show you. So I'm gonna start with this, and I'm just giving it a time to for the stamping polish to dry, although usually it dries pretty fast. Maybe I can stamp another flower right here. Why not? See, when I do my videos, I like to leave the mistakes or problems that I run into, because I want you guys to know what to do if you guys run into this kind of problems. So again, I'm just gonna pick up that flower right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and stamp it right there. And as you guys can see, that took care of the problem. And I think we're ready. So now I'm just gonna grab a little bit of this color paint, and I'm just gonna apply over the flowers. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're not trying to be perfect with this mani. Like I always say, just have fun. Don't get stressed. Just have fun. That's what I do. So now we'll We're just gonna do the green part. Again, I'm not trying to get anything perfect. Still gonna look good. We're still having fun stamping. And that's how it looks. It looks pretty cute. I could have put another flower right there. Maybe later on, I don't know. When it dries. When the color paint's dry. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to do the rest of the nails and then I'll be back to show you the end results. Alright, you guys, so I messed up on this nail, so what I did, I just went ahead and just removed the polish and apply fresh polish. So we're gonna go ahead and stamp this one. It's the last one. It was my mistake. Happens. It happens to everyone, so that's why I would say don't get mad if something goes wrong. I've been doing this for a long time and it's still happening. Another thing that I want to remind you guys, I said it like a bunch of times, but I will say it like a bunch of times more. When you're stamping, you want to make sure that you keep cleaning your scraper, because that stamping polish ends up right here. It dries and then it can mess up your whole thing. So make sure you clean your scraper. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But yeah, that could happen a lot, especially when you're beginning on stamping. Yeah, that can mess you up a lot of times. So I just stamp another flower right there. Again, I'm just gonna go to the simple steps and I'm gonna go ahead and just show you the result. I'm gonna clean, top coat, and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so this is how my mani looks and I think it looks so beautiful. What do you guys think? I mean, it's not perfect, like I said. It doesn't have to be perfect to look beautiful. So yeah, also I just want to say, if you guys don't have this plate, it doesn't matter. You don't have to have the same base. You can have the color that you want, but usually try to use a light color base. That way the colors pop. If you don't have any of this color paints, Wet n Wild used to do some, I have some of those, but also you guys can pick up this at Dollar Tree, and there's only $1, and this is not a top coat, this is just a clear nail protector. You guys can use this, just add a little bit of red polish, maybe like 3-4 drops in there, and mix it really well, and it's gonna be the same thing. You're gonna create your sheer color paint. Yeah, so just a little tip. Yeah, you guys, other than that, I really like this mani and I hope you guys do like it too. So yeah, you guys, I will see you on my next one. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye, you guys. Bye. Bye.